Exciting day for everyone. Welcome to the Asian Continental Championships here at Zunyi, China with Mondraker Philippines. And of course, we are also together with our downhill Philippine team. So everybody's getting ready dito sa mga stations nila, and each country may mga stations yan. Mga riders natin, they just finished checking their bikes and currently nag-warm up sila, stretching. So if everything's clear na and everybody's waiting there sa Porter area, then if everything's clear, sasakay na yung mga bikes dun sa mga pickups, then ready na sila mag-practice runs.
Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng Chinese na downhiller, pero may halaya akong Chinese. Huh?
Exciting day because after our long travel, 3 connecting flights, finally makakapag-bike na yung mga atleta natin. We're excited to have their practice run. So we just did the track walk and umulan kasi this morning, so expect na muddy talaga yung trail. And trail natin is challenging, steep, may mga technical parts, may mga big jumps, and of course, since this is a UCI sanction race, napaka-wide ng mga tracks natin and may mga safety nets din tayo as well. We're here at the finish line. As you can see, napakaganda ng venue. It's a world-class event, UCI sanction, guys. So sana yung mga riders natin sa Philippines, sana ma-experience din nila itong race na to. This is Asian Continental Championship. Nilook forward talaga to ng mga countries natin, ng mga athletes natin all over Asia since it's a continental race. So we're gonna cover from their practice runs to their seeding to their final runs. And of course, andito rin tayo for their awarding. So stay tuned with Mondraker Philippines. Make sure to subscribe because we will cover this race from their seeding to their final run. And of course, yung awarding natin dito yan sa finish line. Alright guys, stay tuned and see you on the next video.